In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the code block on Squarespace 7.0. If you're looking to enrich your website with custom HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or even Markdown, Squarespace makes it easy to dive in with its user-friendly interface. So, let's get started and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account, head over to the Squarespace website and enter your login credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From here, click on the Websites tab, which will take you to a list of your existing sites. Choose the website you want to edit. After selecting your website, you'll enter Preview mode, where you can see how your site currently looks. In the top menu, locate and click on the Edit button. This action will allow you to make changes to your website in real time. With editing enabled, it's time to add a new block to your site. Search for the option called Add Block in the panel. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of block types you can insert into your web page. For this tutorial, we're interested in the code block, so go ahead and click on Code from the list. Once the block is added, you'll see a new code block appear on your page, ready for further customization. Double-click on this new block to open a larger editing window. Here, you'll notice some default demo code. Select and delete this code, as you'll want a clean slate to input your own. Now, let's get into the exciting part. Pasting your own custom code. You can input HTML for layout adjustments, CSS for styling changes, or JavaScript for dynamic functionality. You might even insert Markdown if that's your preference or requirement. Take your time to ensure the code is accurate and meets the purpose you intended. If you'd like the visitors to see the raw code itself, perhaps for educational purposes, check the display source toggle. However, if you're embedding third-party content like videos, forms, or widgets, it's usually best to leave this box unchecked to ensure smooth integration and clean presentation. Finally, once you've input your code and customized the settings as needed, make sure to click Apply to save any changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your edits are appropriately recorded and displayed on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully used the code block feature on Squarespace 7.0 to add custom elements to your website. This feature offers great flexibility for enhancing your site's functionality and look. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of Squarespace's features and get creative with your website design. Thank you for watching and happy coding.